Hello! If you're just getting started with cryptocurrency trading, it can be difficult to know where to begin. Many people also find the process of signing up for an exchange and completing verification confusing. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the Binance sign-up process, step by step, from the very beginning. Binance sign-up. First, let me explain how to apply the referral. The reason for applying a referral is very simple. If you sign up through the official Binance partner link, you can receive a 20% trading fee discount. At first, a 20% discount may not seem like a big difference. However, the more you trade, the more trading fees you can save. So I highly recommend applying the referral. When creating your account, please click the link in the video description below, or copy and paste the link into your browser to access the page. Now, let me show you how to sign up. First, enter the email address you want to use. You can use any email address, but I recommend using Gmail whenever possible, since trading notifications, as well as deposit and withdrawal notifications, will be sent to this email address. It's best to use one that you check regularly. After entering your email address, agree to the terms of service and proceed to the next step. You'll then see the email verification screen. Go to your inbox, find the 6-digit verification code, copy it, and simply paste it into the verification field. If you don't receive the email, be sure to check your spam folder as well. Once you've entered the verification code, the final step is to create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number and one uppercase letter. After setting your password, your registration will be complete. If you've followed all the steps correctly, your account will be created with the trading fee discount already applied. If you sign up directly through the Binance website or app, you'll need to enter the discount code manually to receive the 20% trading fee discount. How to complete KYC verification. After completing the registration, the identity verification process will begin automatically. Identity verification is not optional. It is required in order to use the exchange normally. If you do not complete identity verification, your deposits, withdrawals, and trading functions may all be restricted. For identity verification, you can choose one of the following documents. In this video, I'll use a national ID as the example. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose the verification method. You'll see both the file upload method and the QR code scan method. Please select the file upload method, then upload clear photos of both the front and back of your national ID. Once the upload is complete, the live facial verification process will begin. Position your face within the frame, then follow the on-screen instructions, such as blinking your eyes or turning your head from side to side. If you follow the instructions correctly, verification is usually completed, although in some cases, it may take up to 1 hour. Once your identity verification is complete, we'll move on to futures trading. Futures trading. Now let's learn how to trade futures. From the top menu in Binance, click Futures, then enter the first Futures Trading menu. Scroll down a little, and you'll find Transfer. Futures trading uses a separate wallet from spot trading. Therefore, you'll need to transfer your coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Select Spot to Futures. Enter the amount you want to trade, then click Confirm. The transfer will be completed immediately. Likewise, if you want to withdraw your coins, transfer them back to your spot wallet first, then proceed with the withdrawal. Now let's look at how to place a trade. The default trading pair on the screen is usually BTC USDT. However, you can choose any coin you want to trade. Since this is only an example, I'll use a coin with a lower price. First, you need to choose your margin mode. Select either isolated margin or cross margin. Isolated margin uses only the funds allocated to that specific position as collateral, making it easier to manage risk. Cross-margin uses your entire account balance as collateral. If your losses become large, your entire account may be affected, so extra caution is required. For beginners, I recommend using isolated margin. Next, set your leverage. The default leverage is 20x, but beginners should start with 2x to 5x or lower. The higher your leverage, the greater your potential profits. However, your potential losses also increase. And more importantly, your trading fees become higher, so be careful. Next, choose your order type. You can select either market order or limit order. A market order is executed immediately. It allows you to enter a position quickly, but the trading fee is slightly higher. A limit order allows you to set your desired price. Your order will only be executed when the market reaches that price. Choose the method that best fits the current market conditions. Finally, choose either long or short. Use a long position when you expect the price to rise. Use a short position when you expect the price to fall. Once your order is filled, your current position will appear in the position window at the bottom of the screen. How to close a trade. When closing a trade, you also need to choose either market or limit. With a limit close, you enter your desired exit price and set the quantity. The position will automatically close when the price reaches your target. With a market close, your position will be closed immediately. At the current market price, simply enter the quantity. Whether you're taking profit or cutting your losses, you can respond quickly using these closing methods. Getting started may seem difficult at first, but if you follow today's video step by step, anyone can get started safely. That concludes today's guide, covering everything from signing up with a referral, KYC identity verification to futures trading. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.